So today we will start rest part of the electrostatic potential energy. So if a charge q is accelerated through a potential difference V, then decrease in potential energy equal to QV. So जेतिकी potential energy decrease होगा सेतिकी kinetic energy gain होगा. So kinetic energy will be QV. So गोटे charge Q जदि raised to V potential रे accelerate होगा then its kinetic energy will be QV. So kinetic energy रो formula कौन है? half mv square equal to QV. So we can write V square equal to 2QV by m. So V will be root over of 2QV by m. Let two charges Q1 and Q2 are accelerated through potential difference V. Two charges Q1 and Q2 having mass m1 and m2 are accelerated through potential difference of V. Then kinetic energy is QV. So we can write EK directly proportional to Q. So E1 by E2 equal to Q1 by Q2. So ratio of the kinetic energies will be Q1 is to Q. Now momentum. P equal to root over of 2m into kinetic energy, that is equal to root over of 2m into QV, because kinetic energy is QV. So P proportional to root over of mq. So ratio of momentum will be P1 by P2 equal to m1 by m2 square root into square root of q1 by q2. Like that. Velocity acquired by the body V equal to root over of 2qv by m. So we can say V proportional to root over of q by m. So V1 by V2 equal to root over of q1 by q2 into root over of m2 by m1. Potential gradient. So what is potential gradient? So let there are 2 points A and B. The distance between them is delta and the potential difference VA minus VB equal to delta V. There are 2 points, the distance between them is delta and potential difference is delta V. Then potential gradient is defined as limit delta R tends to 0 delta V by delta R, that is equal to dV by dr. This is called potential gradient. What is potential gradient? It is dV by dr. Now we'll find the relation between potential gradient and electric field. Suppose there is an electric field E. Now there are 2 points A and B. Let this is A, this is B. Now suppose we have to move a charge Q naught from A to B. Now let the potential difference delta V equal to VB minus VA, and this distance is delta R. So force on Q naught F equal to Q naught times C. Displacement A to B को चार्ज को मूव कराला, displacement is delta R. Then work equal to W from A to B equal to कहते हैं वो F dot delta R equal to Q naught E dot delta R. So WA to B equal to F dot delta R equal to Q naught E dot delta R. So E and delta R are in opposite directions. So it will be minus Q naught E delta R. But we know that VAB equal to VP minus VA, which is equal to delta V, is WA to B by Q naught equal to minus Q naught T delta R by Q naught. That implies delta V equal to minus E delta R. That implies E equal to minus delta V by delta R. Now, if delta R tends to 0, E equal to minus dV by dr. Because when delta R tends to 0, delta V by delta R is dV by dr. So, electric field at a point H. So, electric field at a point H, the negative of potential gradient at that point. Again carefully सुनो, electric field at a point H, the negative of potential gradient at that point. Let the electric field at a point is given by 4x cube minus 2x square. Find V at, potential is given by 4x cube minus 2x square. Find E at x equal to 3. So, E will be minus dV by dx because potential is changed with respect to x only. So it will be minus dV by dx equal to minus d by dx of 4x cube minus 2x square, which is equal to minus of 12x square minus 4x minus 12x square plus 4x. So electric field at x equal to 3 will be minus 12 into 3 square plus 4 into 3, which is equal to 9 times minus 12 minus 108 plus 12, that is equal to minus 96 units. Now, if potential varies with 3 dimensions, then electric field will be minus of dou v by dou x I cap plus dou v by dou y j cap plus dou v by dou z k cap. So this dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, they are called partial derivatives. So what is the meaning of partial derivative? When you are taking partial derivative with respect to x, only x is the variable. You can consider y and z are constants. Similarly, while taking partial derivative with respect to y, you can consider x and z are constants. While taking partial derivative with respect to z, you can consider x and y are constant. For example, let v equal to 4x square y cube z. Find electric field at 1, -1, 2. Now v equal to 4x square y cube z, that implies dou v by dou x कितना होगा? देखो, dou v by dou x, only x is constant, only x is variable, y cube and z, y and z are constant, so it will be 4 into 2x into y cube z. You have taken the derivative of x only, rest are constants. Similarly, it will become 8x y cube z. Similarly, dou v by dou y क्या होगा? 4 into x square into 3y square into z, which is equal to 12x square y square z. Dou v by dou z, 4x square y cube into 1, that is equal to 4x square y cube. Now, if we substitute the points at 1, -1, 2, it will be 8 into 1 into -1 cube into 2, which is equal to -16. At 1, -1, 2, it will be 12 into 1 into -1 square into 2, which becomes 24. This at 1, -1, 2, 4 into 1 into -1 cube, that is -4. Now E will become minus of dou v by dou x is -16. -16 I cap, dou v by dou y 24 plus 24 j cap -4 k cap. So you can multiply with the minus. So how to solve the problem? First v is this, so dou v by dou x will be, with respect to x you are differentiating. So in the first term it will be 12 into 2x into y. This term has no x, so all are constant and derivative of constant is 0, minus 0, plus 4 into derivative of x is 1 z cube, that is equal to 24xy minus 4z cube, and the point is 1 minus 1 minus 1, so it will be 24 into 1 into -1 minus 4 into -1 cube, which is equal to minus 24 into -4 into -1 plus 4 minus 20. Similarly, dou v by dou y, 12x square into derivative of y is 1 minus 2 into derivative of y is 1 into z square plus 0, because it has no y term, so it will become 12x square minus 2z square substituting the point 1 minus 1 minus 1, we will get 12 into 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 square. It will become 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. Dou v by dou y, sorry, dou v by dou z. This has no z terms, so it is 0. Minus 2 into y into derivative of 2z square is 2z plus 4x into derivative of z cube 3z square minus 2yz plus 12xz square. At point 1 minus 1 minus 1, you will get minus 2 into minus 4yz, minus 4 times minus 1 into minus 1 plus 12 into 1 into minus 1 square, minus 4 plus 12, that is equal to 8. So E equal to minus of dou v by dou x, that is equal to minus 20 I cap plus 10 j cap plus 8 k cap, that is equal to 20 I cap minus 10 j cap minus 8 k cap, and magnitude of electric field will be root over of 20 square plus 10 square plus 8 square.